Good day, kids! Ang pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon ay ang pagpapatuloy ng paggawa ng multiplication table gamit ng column 5 and column 10. This time, ang column 5 ay idodoble natin upang makagawa tayo ng product ng column 10. 1 times 5 is equal to 5, and 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Let's do it in our multiplication table. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. How about 2 times 5? 2 times 5 is equal to 10. How about 10 times 2? 10 times 2 is equal to 20. How about 3 times 5? 3 times 5 equals 15. Times 2 is equal to 30. What is 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 20 times 2 is equal to 40. What is 5 times 5? 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Times 2 is equal to 50. What is 6 times 5? 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 30 times 2 is equal to 60. What is 7 times 5? 7 times 5 is equal to 35. 35 times 2 is equal to 70. What is 8 times 5? 8 times 5 is equal to 40. 40 times 2 is equal to 80. What is 9 times 5? 9 times 5 is equal to 45. And 45 times 2 is equal to 90. What is 10 times 5? 10 times 5 is equal to 50. 50 times 2 is equal to 100.
Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulelat sa math.